Okay, so the chicken is done boiling, and this is what the boiled chicken looks like. Okay, so then the next step would be to take the chicken and just dunk it into the breadcrumbs like that. Okay, and just dump all the chicken you have, I guess, into the breadcrumbs. And you kind of shake it all around just to make sure you got everything. Make sure you got a good amount of breadcrumbs in there. Have to make sure it sticks also. Okay, so after you're done that, you take the chicken and you put it in the pan. Okay, you put it in the pan. Okay, still has some breadcrumbs left. You can just sprinkle some over too, just to make sure you've got some in there. So, chicken looks like this. And then, basically, you turn on the oven, put it in bake, and set it to 400. And you put the chicken inside and wait for, I don't know, an hour, 30 minutes. And be back later.